Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good sauerkraut. First, select fresh, firm cabbage, ideally organic, and remove any outer damaged leaves. Then shred it finely, about 1/8 of an inch thick, using a mandolin or sharp knife. Weigh your shredded cabbage and add exactly 2% of its weight in non-iodized salt. Mix thoroughly, massaging the salt into the cabbage for about 10 minutes until brine forms. Once the brine has formed, pack the cabbage tightly into a clean fermentation crock or jar, ensuring it's fully submerged under the liquid. Use a fermentation weight to keep the cabbage below the brine, preventing exposure to air. Store your fermenting sauerkraut in a cool, dark place, ideally between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal bacterial activity. Regularly check for any surface mold and promptly remove it. The fermentation process typically takes 3 to 6 weeks, depending on your desired level of sourness and crunch. Begin tasting your sauerkraut after about 2 weeks and continue to do so every few days until it reaches your preferred flavor profile. A longer fermentation period will result in a tangier, more complex taste. Once it's perfect, transfer your sauerkraut to airtight jars and refrigerate it to halt the fermentation. Proper storage is key to enjoying your homemade sauerkraut for an extended period. Keep it in sealed jars in the refrigerator, where it can last for several months. Always use clean utensils when serving to prevent introducing unwanted bacteria. Sauerkraut is a versatile and healthy addition to many meals, offering beneficial probiotics. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fermented cabbage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.